All right, so what you will need for this recipe is some sugar, vanilla extract or vanilla flavor, whatever you prefer, cream cheese. I usually just get the fat-free Great Value because that one is the cheapest, 2 eggs, and this is the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie dough. This one is the 30-ounce roll. That's the biggest one that I find. And also a pan. This one is the 12 3/4 by 9. This is for the 13 by 9 pan recipes. All right, so first things first, we are going to take our roll of cookie dough and we are going to cut it at about a little over halfway. All right, we're gonna keep cutting the cookie dough into rounds just like this to cover the complete bottom of the pan to make a crust. All right, so this is what your pan should look like. I ended up cutting off just a little bit more, just because I felt like some of the edges around the pan needed to be up a little bit more, and you will see why in just a few minutes. Now I'm gonna mix the ingredients. All right, so in this big bowl, we're going to combine 2 eggs, 2 packages of cream cheese. It ended up being 1 cup of sugar and half a tablespoon of the vanilla extract. All right, don't mind the clock. That is not the right time. It's almost 9 o'clock right now. But we are going to preheat the oven to 350. All right, now that all of our ingredients are mixed in here, we are going to pour this on top of our chocolate chip crust and make a good filling. All right, now we made a nice filling, smoothed it out. Now we are going to use the rest of our chocolate chip cookie dough as a topping. We're just gonna crumble it up and fill the entire cake. So this is what it should look like after you're done crumbling the rest of the cookie dough. And now we are going to put it in the oven. All right, we are going to put it in the oven for about 35 minutes. So this is what the cheesecake looks like when it's done. You really want to get that cookie dough real golden, nice and crispy. Now you're just gonna let this sit out and cool for maybe about an hour. So when it's cooled down, put the lid on it and put it in the fridge, let it chill overnight, and it will be ready for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to do some more cook with me videos.